22 Broad Park today. It's a ex-authority, semi-detached 3-bedroom family house, built in the 50s. This one does need a bit of modernisation. Somebody will come here and put their mark on it. It'd be a lovely home like it's been for many families before. It's got a nice back garden, as you can see. It's the afternoon, it's nice and sunny behind me, and from the front you have got a view of the town and the castle. There is a utility room and a kitchen, as well as the living room as well. Outside, it's possible that you could lower the curb. It would depend on the proper planning permission through the council, and all that, but it's certainly been done next door, so it's worth a look. Anyway, have a look round and give us a ring and we'll get you in. Cheers.